Cheese with just 2 ingredients, ready in minutes. Let's start by cracking 4 eggs into a bowl. Next, we'll add a bit of salt. Also 400 ml of milk. Now let's mix everything together well. Set aside. In a pot, add water halfway up. Once the water is boiling, add our entire mixture. Then cover and let it cook for about 20 minutes or until firm. Now folks, let's remove our cheese. Let's loosen the sides. After that, just unmold it onto a plate. Now just slice and enjoy. Look how incredible it turns out, everyone. Try this at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Sending you a big hug. Until next time, and see ya.